How to save a project in Canva. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how a project is saved in Canva. So, for example, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and to create a design, and I'm going to start and open this up. Now, once we have a design opened up, what we're going to be doing over here is we're going to add in, whatever we would like to add. So let's say I'm just going to go ahead and quickly add this. Now, once this is added, you're going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call it Insta Test 1. And I'm going to click on Enter. And once we do that, make sure that this says all changes saved. And if that is done, just make sure to click on Save over here once again. And once you do that, that saves a project for you. And you can go ahead and access it from here. So if I reload this, you're going to clearly be able to see. We're going to scroll down and look at that. Insta Test 1. It's open right here. All I need to do is I'm going to click on it, and there we go. That's how incredible and easy it is to save a project in Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.